Hey man, I got my Grail. Gotta say it 2 times, man. YouTube family. Welcome back. What's good with y'all once again, man? Thank y'all for pulling up to yet another unboxing / Grail pickup video, man. Hey, this is a special one, man. Like this by far, I ain't gonna say by far, it might have overpassed one of my 2021 pickups, but this is the Grail of Grail, and we do have an unboxing from GOAT, man. Hey, me and GOAT got a love-hate relationship, man. It's crazy, man. It's like a drug, you know what I'm saying? Like, I be trying to stay away from the reselling GOAT and stuff, but it's like, I gotta get my fix, you know what I'm saying? I gotta get my fix. So your boy went over to GOAT and he picked up something that, you know, it might be a little, you know, I don't know how y'all gonna feel about it, but I myself like them, that's why I bought them. So I'm about to bring that to y'all. But if this is your first time stopping through checking out any of the family's content, man, hey, glad to have y'all with me. Not even with me, with us, with the fam, man. We would love for y'all to stick around and join the fam by smashing that subscribe button, man. Roll to 100K. We on the way to that, man. So hey, if y'all would help us out, achieve that goal or get closer to it, it'd be greatly appreciated, man. And trust me, y'all don't want to miss what we got coming to this channel, man. If y'all don't sub today, y'all will be brought back because we're gonna drop nothing but heat, nothing but bangers, all 21 and beyond, man. So yeah, man, hey, sub up, make sure y'all smash that like button, make sure y'all we need 1K likes, man. I'm thinking, hey, we need 1.5. We need 1.5K likes on this video just for this Grail, man. Crazy Grail, man. But let's go ahead and get into this unboxing, and then we'll follow it up by the Grail. So hey, make sure y'all stay tuned to the end. Don't fast forward, stay tuned. But let's get into this unboxing. Bang! Boxes. Y'all know what boxes are, man. Boxes are good, bro. Got a box here from GOAT, but what's inside? Let's check it out. Appreciate you. All right, man. Got my handy dandy box cutter on deck. Cut this open without cutting the box. Hopefully, pop it open, man. Like I said, man, y'all gonna have mixed feelings about this shoe, but telling y'all, I'm gonna put it together nicely for y'all. I'm gonna change some of y'all minds, bro. Big shout out to my bro, like 2 times. Big shout out to my bro just for kicks, man. For number 1, for getting like my attention on these, because I seen them and I was you know, so about them, but upon him showing me his personal pair, I was like, hey man, them a cop, bro. I feel like, you know, it's a shoe that I'm gonna be looking at in the future and like, man, I should have got him. One of them shoes, man. So get them now while the price is low. And this is the first colorway of this in particular model of this shoe. So that's one shout out to my boy, and another shout out is for the Grail unboxing. But we'll get to that in a second, man. But yes sir, we got the box right here, man. Got the box right here, man. Let me soak it in. Man, it look like I bought some sandals. Are they sandals? It looked like I bought some sandals, like for real. But let me go on and pull it out real quick. Pause. I was talking about these, man. I was saying that they might not be for me, yada yada. You know how people do. But once you see them in hand, it's a whole different, you know, vibe you get from seeing them. You're like, okay, I see what I can do with those, man. But y'all see the box. I know y'all have an idea, but y'all probably don't know what it is. This is none other than, bang, the Yeezy 450. And ain't much I can say about this. Y'all already know what's going on from this point because it's only one of these colorways out. There's actually another one, I guess, that's floating around, but if you know the price of that, you already know that this is not that one. But anyways, man, you see that, man, 450 on the box. It literally looks like I got some sandals because this box looks like a sandal box, you know what I'm saying? But taking a look at the size tag, it reads Yeezy. Whoa. It reads Yeezy 450. This is a size 9.5. I seen reviews on these and it did say go up half a size to a full size. So hey, I took it into consideration, went up half size, and we got this 9.5. But the color blocking is CLO WHT, cloud white. Say it 6 times. But that's the color blocking, and let's check it out, man. Let's pop open the box real quick. I have seen these over at my bro Just for Kicks house, you know what I'm saying? So this is not the first time I'm seeing them. But it did come with my GOAT stuff, you know, my verification card as well as my GOAT sticker. Take a look at them real quick, man. We got, bang, the Yeezy 450 Cloud Whites. Bang! Here they go, man. Look, I know a lot of y'all like, man, them is trash. Them is, you know, blah, blah, blah. But to me, this is such a unique looking shoe, bro. Like, this is actually hard. And what changed my mind about these, like 100%, was seeing them on feet in person. You know what I'm saying? The pictures really didn't do it too much for me. But when I seen my homie put them on feet, I was like, oh man, got to get them. Got to get them, man. So, like I said, shout out to my guy, Just for Kicks again, man. Hey, I'm gonna link him down below in the description. Up and coming, man. My guy got some dope content. Make sure y'all check him out and sub to his channel. But take a look at that right there, man. It looks like, I don't know, man. I get like a volcano vibe every time I look at these, man. I get some sort of like volcano type vibe from looking at these shoes. Or like, I don't know, man. Y'all remember Beetlejuice? When they had like that claw, that type of, man, if you know, you know, man. It was something that was coming up. I forgot exactly what it was, but it was like something that closed up on dude's face. That's what I see when I see this, man. Like that claw. But man, it's so unique, man. This is going to be an attention grabber, man. You have that all over foam type material, man. Take a look at that bottom real quick. These are just so different and so, I might want to say so ugly that they just dope. You know what I'm saying? Like, this definitely catches my attention, and I know if I see anybody with it on, I'll be like, okay, that's so different that it's dope. But these are the Yeezy 450 Cloud Whites, man. Look forward to your boy hitting y'all with a review and an on feet and all that stuff, man, in due time. But yo, man, very, very small, like condensed shoe. Like I said, the box looked like it was some sandals or something, man. But that is the pickup your boy did get from GOAT, man. Shout out to GOAT for making this purchase, you know, accurate. I guess it's because it's such a new shoe. Everything's good with it, but you know, I had some fallouts with GOAT. But for the most part, man, they always got me right. But anyways, man, that's it for the 450 Cloud Whites. Let's check out this Grail. Appreciate that, Just for Kicks. Appreciate it, my guy. Bang, man. This one right here, bro. This one right here, I never thought I would have this shoe in the collection, bro. Like, prices on these shoes are crazy, man. Like, I had to get it from my bro because I knew 100% that they were legit, number one. And number two, he gave me a price I could not refuse, bro. Like, could not refuse. Like, almost half of what they're going for right now on resale market, man. So crazy. Big shout out to the bro Just for Kicks again, man. I can't give him enough thanks in this video because he looked out for your boy on these. But taking a look at the front of it, bam, you got that Jumpman written across the top of that brown, like cardboard looking type box, man. Size tag reads the 10 Air Jordan 1. And with that said, you already know the vibes, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, man. But opening up the box, man. Yes, sir. You do get that, like, that GS, or you know, sometimes they use it on men's pair, but you do got that GS looking Jordan black box with the gold Jumpman, but it is inverted. You know, you got the inside on the outside and the outside on the inside, off-white stuff. But taking a look at the paper, man, you do get that paper that was from the 10, your off-white paper, yada yada. And what we got right here, man, okay, it looks like we got a receipt. Back when Nike used to give us receipts. So I did scratch out my bro information at the top right there, but peep what it says. Let that soak in. Read what that says. See the size? Where the date at? You see the date right there, man. Check it out, man. Let that soak in real quick. Back when we used to get receipts from sneakers, but I remember, I wasn't there. I remember when my bro hit this, and hey, man, receipts are good, man, and it's good to know where your shoes come from. Like I said, I wouldn't have bought these from nowhere else because it's too much money to risk getting a pair that is not 100% authentic. And with that being said, man, taking that paper back, taking this paper back, you do got another set of paper right there. And then inside the box, we got, bang! The Jordan 1 Off-White Chicago. Yes, sir. Bang! Here we have them, bruh. The Air Jordan 1 Off-White Chicagos, man. And your boy doesn't own any OG Chicagos, but whew, your boy got these, man, and 100% dead stock, man. 100% DS, man. He let your boy get these, bruh. Blessed me with these, man. Big shout out to my homie again, just for kicks. Laces all included, everything OG all, man. Tags there, everything OG all. So y'all see the vibes, bro. I gotta, well, when I lace it up, that ain't gonna be hanging no more. But man, take a look at this beauty, man. Your boy got this Grail in the collection, bro. I will be throwing these on feet. So hey, like I said, man, 1.5K likes, man. 1,500 likes, man. We doing the on feet, man. We doing all that good stuff, man. So if y'all want to see your boy throw this Grail on feet, make sure y'all smash that like button. And yes, man, thank y'all for checking out another one of the unboxing videos, as well as Grail pickup, man. This is your boy's Grail of all Grails, man. I don't think I have a shoe worth this much. This is like my most valued shoe probably in my collection right now, other than the trophy rooms. But yeah, man, hey, they here in the collection, bro. And like I said, man, y'all smash that like button, and we'll throw them on feet, man. You know how it go. So thank y'all again for watching, participating. If y'all hit that like button, all that good stuff, drop a comment down below. Just drop a fire emoji, man. Let me know your thoughts on those Yeezy 450s, which I have. I don't even know where they at. Right here. Right here. Bang, man. Let me know your thoughts on this futuristic looking shoe, man. But hey, man, that's it for this one. Y'all see the vibes, bro. Let me make this a little bit better. There we go. That looks a little more like it right there. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? But hey, man, that's it for this one, man. Y'all stay blessed. Your boy is gone. Woo! Got me some Grails, man. Shout out to my bro again. Make sure y'all follow Just for Kicks, man. I'm gone. Y'all stay blessed. Peace.